Okay, students. Now the next topic is political factors affecting the density of population. Now what is political factors? A political factor includes the stability and instability of a country. Okay, people move away from the unrest social and political place. Now wherever the political or social place is unrest or it is under some problem, at that certain time the people they tend to move from that place and they migrate to some other place. People migrate in the place which is politically stable or which leads to the better economic and social life. So wherever the place is politically stable, socially stable, all the people they prefer to stay there. Why? So that their economic life or the social life should be better. Okay, let us study one by one. Wars in the world at different times affect the density of the population. Whenever a war takes place, first of all there is lot of loss of human life, and then after that there is the migration of people. They are forced to migrate or they migrate on their own. Next, people migrate from the areas of political unrest to the safer place. I told you before only that the people they generally move to the places which are safe socially and safe politically. So wherever the place is unrest in the aspect of political, in the aspect of social, the people they don't feel safe to stay there. Migration of refugees affect the change in composition and density of population. So wherever the refugees they migrate from one place to another, at that time also there is the change in composition. If from one place if they have migrated to some other place, then the place from where they have migrated the population density will be less, and to the place which they have migrated, that place population is going to increase. Okay, so even migration is going to change the composition of the population density. Partition of India is also a reason that has affected its density of population. As you all know, when India got independent, India was separated from Pakistan. It was separated. At that particular time, the population was affected and the density of population also changed. Later on Bangladesh, later on Nepal. So all these partitions later on when they have taken place, there is the change in the population density of India country. The former USSR, that the Soviet Union, forced to spread the population with certain policies. Now USSR has forced its population and has spread the population. For example, the northwest population was sent to the cold lands of Siberia in north. So the USSR has forcefully sent its population to the south and northwest, where in the cold lands of Siberia. Even this is the reason, or even this is the reason of the political factor which affects the density of population. And Syria is an example of unrest political area. As you all know, there are a lot of political issues in the country Syria. Because of this, the people they don't feel they feel unrest to stay over there. They don't feel safe to stay at that particular place.